You know, shorty, she my flex ting, better than my last. I'ma ring her up, she way too poppin' for taste. Too sexy to be worried by the next. And she don't.
Not leaving anything. Not this lady giving me 2-hour walk all the way back home. Like, really. But anyways, so I got these rubber bands for my clients because, like I said, hairstyle, it's a little tenderism, you know, and a little tenderism. So I'm hoping this can secure it. I don't know, but my clients can never say I don't do things for them because I literally forced my mom, who's on her way to work, mind you, late already, to take me to the shop just so I can get this. So if you're my client, don't say I never done nothing for you, babe. Am I sweating? I'm perspirating. Kind of nosy. Maybe I should put this in my bag. I'm vlogging for YouTube, guys. Okay. I'm trying to get back into it. Yay, as we should. Hey, guys. I'm a bit shy now. I'm joking. I just took. I'm like, first walk, run of the year. And it's drizzling. Ask me how we're gonna do this. I'm not responding. You have check. But I didn't try it, if that's what you're asking. Oh. Yeah. Your heart's screaming serenity, and I think I'm noticing that I ain't fucking with your vibe. Fuck with that, you gotta get attached with me. Gotta get what's involved with that. You remind me of my barrel, my barrel. Working with. I don't understand why iPhone looks so good outside. When I'm inside of the house, it looks dizzy. My sister's busy talking to her ex-lover. I told you that something different. That's what I was telling Paul. About what?
No, I was saying there was something different about this thing. I just couldn't pinpoint what it was.
The lack of water?
What shame I like it like this, eh?
Oh, so you like climate change? You live for it, nah?
I don't live for it, but I... Okay,
so what's your lover saying?
Yeah, what's in the lava?
He wants to talk gang. Oh, gang.
I was just saved by that car. Like things like the Formula 1, because she was talking about basketball. And then we were checking how much the prices were and stuff. Yeah. And let's say the South African one, entry level, was like
14k.
No, wasn't it 600?
Oh yeah, like cheap seats, like 590 something.
Yeah.
Basketball,
but like the African NBA.
Sorry, I just always gotta take a picture of a pretty flower.
Yeah, but like, what about building? He's like, but also, he's like, yeah,
build a house with that kind of
trying to invest. He's like, guys, not every money that you get has to be money for building.
Like, and we all have different definitions of what luxury and being rich is.
Exactly.
Like, for someone, it's traveling the world. For someone, it's having this house that they sit here every day. Like, it's
literally,
just,
that's how I was like, the thing of them thinking that, oh no, because you're trying to do all these things is you.
Also, what if it's just a gift to you because you already built two properties?
No, why are you wasting money? You must invest. And I'm like, people actually just love. One thing about people, they will prove. That says a lot, eh?
Yeah, it does say a lot. Like, you can see those things.
So essentially with the bridesmaids thing, this other girl, her friend stopped being, I don't know if she decided to cut the friendship or her friend did, something like that. But essentially, the show easy, the story. rather wait. Wait, we're comfortable now. Something doesn't feel right. I get comfortable.
If anyone knows how to actually skate, please tell us how you're supposed to wear this.
Supposed to hurt.
Are they supposed to hurt and be tight? Or are they supposed to just be like loosey goosey but not too loosey? You get me? Because these things, they're not making sense.
Okay, we're ready to skate. Wait, 1, 2.
Can you walk?
I can, like.
I'm so nervous. Last time I did this was when I was meeting her, and that was a full year ago.
It was
2024, December.
I'm also scared.
Wait,
Go on. Let's go. Shankish. Okay, no.
I'm gonna come on, guys. I can't do this. I don't wanna lie. I even have a tear in my I can't. I'm hoping and praying that I'll be able to get over my fear of skating. I think I can, but it's definitely a mental thing.
Got this. We can do this. We'll skate and we'll only fall once.
I think we need to fall.
We need to.
We need to fall.
Yes.
Like, but that's also so hard. Who wants to fall, bro?
No.
I don't want to fall. I don't like falling. That doesn't mean I want to.
No. I think it's a jump in it because.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Should have seen me. I was like an angel.
She ate that up.
Let's see if I can do it again.
She ate that up, but she was too fast. She was way too
Guys,
fast.
if you do this thing small, biggie by biggie, it's not gonna work. Trust me. I'm remembering from that day, I kept wanting to fall. So I think you must just
do it.
Just do it.
Nice. Okay.
Alone.
Yeah.
Ah. I don't think I'm ready for alone now. Let's do it.
Shut up. horrible. Tatawena. Yang we getting it just like biggie by biggie. I think I did it. Hey, yeah, yeah. Yeah. You know what I want to do? Wait, no, we can do it. And you're not gonna know. Doesn't even hurt. Look at my hands. But it's fine. Now I have to try to convince my business so I can be frequent in it. Yeah,
That's why it's better like on Wednesdays.
yeah.
Like if you wanna come, just come when it's half price. No, I was outside, like we were both standing outside. So my brother was asking me to open the car so he can go in. And I just stood there taking a video of
Oh, so then they're like chips.
him. Yeah, I was from behind.
Yeah.
To me, I saw.
And they quick with it.
Because I like I am a freeze. I come shut up. I scream. Ah! Jesus! Fire! Fire!
Guys, I don't wish losing your phone or getting your phone stolen on my worst enemy. That thing is so sad.
It is.
Like, especially when you have very, very important things on it, like files. Oh,
And I keep saying, nobody would ever snatch my phone.
can't do it.
And if I snatch it, I can trip, like I'll do something to make a freezer.
Then it was just you there.
You know, it's easy to say I never.
You would never, yeah. That's why I'll
That's what
never.
happens.
That's why I never, ever. Like, I don't judge people, like nothing, because I'm like, if I'm in that situation, I would probably act the same way.
I know.
Like, you know, like it's so easy to say something when you're out of it. When you're in it, it's a different
Yo,
story.
when you're in it, it's a different story because like I get it, you haven't like prepared yourself for it, like so you're still in shock.
Or even in your head, like
Yeah.
theory versus practicality, different chats.
different. And
Different
you
chats.
start thinking about what you could have done.
Yeah, only afterwards instead of
Yeah.
when you were there. Shame. That's why sometimes it's good to be a person of action and then think after. But yeah,
I used to think I was like that until that happened, and I realized what I
damn, I'm just a thinker like everyone else.
you'd swear ho ole have a kamzela phone that girl
Well, five.
I came in a fist fight and she walked
won.
out with her phone.
Yup.
I was like, wow. Then I realized what I was thinking. I talk a lot with no action.
But shame, you never know until you're actually in it.
I know. Also, I think I was scared because I didn't know if what had a gun.
Yeah, guys, that was the skating session. I was, towards the end, I got better, but oh fuck.
So she like if like once it touches me, something's gonna happen.
I hear you. Oh no. Oh, that was actually good. We're gonna go to Mikiti, grab some lunch. That was a really good ice skating session, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I wanna try and make it a monthly or a weekly thing. Let me help you with something. Yes, Ntombazani. Are there?
So we're gonna eat some girl food, and then we're gonna pick up your girl's little brother.
Period. Almost.
Also, I wanna be as nonchalant as he is. Yo, I hate yeah, so you end up hating it over here because she decided not to add ice into her into the other McDonald's I stayed with. So now we're at a different one, the Blue Hills one, and we're gonna see if we can try and get them to give her ice. I don't know if that's gonna work.
They will give me. They will. They will. It worked.
You know what's funny? I think they were kind of scared because I think they saw me filming, and then now you wanna ask questions about the. So I think they thought we were gonna make it like a big thing. Like
I thought I was gonna be a Karen.
yeah. So mission successful.
Yeah, well.
But low-key they saw.
Twas.
But low-key they saw for we didn't buy it yet. But they clocked it at some point.
They were asking questions like, why did she say, I have a camo? But they couldn't say it to our face.
Because what else? What are we gonna? Come on, it's just eyes.
You know.
It's like one rand, I'm sure.
You know, shorty, she my flex ting, better than my last. I'ma ring her up, she way too poppin' for taste. Too sexy to be worried by the next.